Hello, amazing people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Julia, and as always, this channel is called the Julia Inspired Lifestyle Channel. And on this channel, as you already know, we talk about how you can make more money, how you can save money, and how you can multiply your money and build generational wealth. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 stocks that we are looking at in this particular week. Listen, guys, class is in session, and I'm here to show you how you're going to find some money to add and increase your income, because every day the stock market provides us with a lot of opportunity. The question is, are you in the know? Do you know the stocks? Do you have good knowledge? Do you know when to buy, and do you know when to sell? So based on that, I'll be sharing with you a lot of opportunities that we'll be looking at. And have you subscribed to this YouTube channel? I'm sure this is not the first time you're watching our video, or probably this is the first time you're watching your video. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment. If there is any stock you would want me to research and give you a feedback on or talk about in my next video, I would love to hear from you. Let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to break down that stock in the next video. This is what I am promising, and I'm going to keep to my promise. Okay. So moving on, I'm going to show you where you are going to be looking at in this particular week. Are you ready? Because I am super ready. So let's talk about Tesla. That's the first stock that I'm breaking down, all right? See, Tesla, the whole of last week hasn't really been a good week for Tesla. But you know us. I told you all the time we have our buy zone around 230 to 233, okay? And I keep mentioning that anytime this level is broken, I know it's heading further down. Listen, it broke this level of 230, and look at where it landed, 218. Okay, 218. Now the question you're going to ask yourself, which is what I teach my team people to ask themselves, is first, can the cheap get cheaper? Can the price I'm looking at drop further? The question is yes. This is a brand new week, and as you can see, we have to wait for the market to run properly tomorrow, and then we see how the market is shaping up. Now let me show you something. Let me take this from the 1 week chart to the last 1 month. Okay, so you can see for the last 1 month, the stock has really gone further down more than the support he has been holding. So like I say, the support he has been holding for a long time is this 230 area, and what we've been doing is that we buy from 230 and we take it up to 240, 250, 260, and it has given us a very good money, I would even lie. But now this is one of the lessons you get in my community. So you can see now this particular stock is making an attempt to head towards the 200, and if it breaks the 200, it's going to be heading close to the 190 and the 199, 195, and that is what we are looking out for. Let me clean up the chart. I love the charts being clean. So imagine if it breaks further lower. So why would you buy a stock at 218 when it can actually get to 200? So you can actually scoop more when you're profiting. And you can see this stock is not yet done with the downside, and we want to wait until it is done with the downside. And when it starts making a healthy upside move, that is when we're going to hop in and we're going to be buying. So this is the first stock on our watch list on this week, and I'm going to share with us the second stock. Now this is the second stock, which is the SQQQ. This has been our favorite for the past few weeks, because I've been calling out this stock since the month of December, and you can see now it is not making any other new low. It has been hanging around this 1347 to 13.20, and this stock is getting ready to have a takeoff. and this stock can take off from this point and head into 14.15. Let me show you something that happened 2 weeks ago. When the year just started, the first trading up week of the year 2024, the stock moved from 13.20 and jumped up to 15, and it was a big scoop. And I mentioned it. If you missed the video, watch my last week video. I mentioned that this move made us money, and we waited for it to come back to this same point again, and we are back at it. So this stock is a stock that we are looking at, and we're waiting for it to make another upside move. So right now it is 13.47. When the market opens tomorrow, we'll be looking at the direction, and we may be jumping in when we see an upside movement. And once we have an upside earning potential, we're going to grab our one lucky share. Remember, just the one lucky share. It can be more than one, it can be 1.5. The last one we got 1.7. But nevertheless, your one lucky share, if you have your 10 shares, you'll be having your 10 cool dollars. If you have 100 shares, you'll be having your 100 cool dollars. This is how we make money in the stock market. Spot the opportunities and leverage on the opportunities. I'm also going to speak about one more before we wrap it up in this video. The last one is ExxonMobil. ExxonMobil, XOM ticker symbol, is an oil company. I'm sure you know about it. Now, this particular stock does well when the market is generally going down. So let me show you something. In the last 1 year, you can see that the stock has actually given us money, but that was like July last year, around July, August, when we jumped on this opportunity and we rode it from 99 to 120, and it's back down to that same level. So right now, what we are doing is that we're waiting for this stock to make a decent take a direction on the upside. So you can see this particular stock has been hovering around 99 and touching a little bit of 98. This is a very sweet point. All you need to do is, this is the one I call the lazy sleep well at night stock. Grab it, grab this particular stock at grab this particular stock at 99 and ride it to 119 or 120. That means you're making about $20. Can you see that? 99 to 119, $20. So if you're able to get just one, you're sure of your $20. You're getting to $40. You're getting 10 to $100. This particular stock may be pricey for a lot of beginners, but this particular stock can give you money, especially if you're a working class person and you're looking at something you can put in your money and have some good, rest at night. You don't have to monitor your stock every blessed day. This is where you should be. And if you want more information to join the community, that's the second link in the description. Click on it, make your payment, and we can't wait to see you in class. Open your eyes to see where and how you can start doing this all by yourself. Wouldn't that be cool? Than letting someone just tell you what you can actually learn how to do all this by yourself. And with this, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Remember, smash the like button, drop a comment for me. If there is any other stock you want me to share or break down for you, I'll be glad to do that, and I'll see you in the next video.